What's good? Ew. I look kind of ugly. It's okay though. Hello. Today I'm becoming Vernon, and so, yeah. We're gonna start out with the makeup. I already did my face because I didn't feel like doing that on camera. And I did my brows as well. I kind of did them a little heavier than I usually would. And I put on some pretty heavy contour as well because Vernon doesn't have cheeks like these. The reason I'm doing heavy eye makeup is because I don't own glasses that look like the ones that he's wearing in the video, so I was like, okay, what can I do instead? And it occurred to me that I could just do like a cool eye look, so that's what I'm gonna do. If I'm looking over here, it's because the mirror is like, hello. Next, I'm taking like a shade brush, and this one's by Eco Tools. I don't know, it's one of these, and a Urban Decay eyeshadow. This one's in Psychedelic Sister, and it's just purple because his glasses are kind of like that reflective purple color, so I thought it'd be cool to do a sick purple eye look. I'm just packing this shit on, truthfully. Just put it on your eye. We're not gonna do anything too crazy here today. Just put the eyeshadow on your eye. What isn't sexy about purple eyeshadow? So I have like a little outline. No, I'm gonna fill it in. And that looks stupid, but it's okay because we're gonna make it work. I think I'm making it worse. It's okay. Oh my god, this looks awful. Oh my god. You ever see something that's just so not it? Also, don't mind this. This is like a piece of skin or something. I don't know. It doesn't come off. It's a part of me. So don't make fun of it. Oh no. Oh, it's so awful. Okay, we're gonna blend. Maybe if we like add more purple. Oh, I look dead. Oh my god. This is a mess. This is a disaster. Oh my god, the show must go on. Oh my god, it just gets worse every time I look at it. No. Maybe if I like... no, that's not helping. That just made it worse. Oh my god, this is awful. Can you believe I used to do freelance makeup? What the fuck? I swear I'm getting less talented as the years go on. Like, I'm just getting worse at things. My teeth look so yellow in this lighting. Oh my god, this is humiliating. Vernon, I am so sorry. Taking another Urban Decay eyeshadow. This one is called Solstice, and it's like, it looks cool. I don't know how to explain it. I'm just putting this on top. Oh my god, I think putting this everywhere will just make everything better. That's what I'm hoping for. Okay, yeah, that looks a little sickening. I'm like into that. This is the problem. I have a too much gene, and I just do the most always, and then it turns out bad. This looks awful. I'm just gonna do black eyeliner and hope that that like fix all of my problems. And I mean all of them. Maybe if I do like a dramatic wing, everything will be better. Well, that just looks not good. Turning into Vernon goes wrong. It's gonna be the title of this video because something went really wrong here. This looks god awful. Oh my god. I look like I listen to Evanescence. No, not like Evanescence, like I listen to like Blood on the Dance Floor. Oh my god, I'm reliving my scene phase. I think I need to just stop touching it. I'm gonna put black. Yeah, I'm gonna put black using this little bitch. I promise I'm like not this bad at makeup. I got too adventurous, and that was my demise, honestly. Maybe false lashes will fix it. Oh, from like far away, when I don't have my glasses on, it looks kind of good. I think I will. I'm gonna finish the other eye, put lashes on, and then we'll come back for the rest. Oh my god, this is... I'm back. I think maybe having both eyes done helps a little bit, but I sent a picture to Denna, and she said I look like the glitter, like, crying girl from that one Vine. And I agree. But this is what it looks like. I'm gonna do the lips now, and then we'll get to do the hair. Lips, I'm just using a nude lipstick, and I didn't put chapstick on. And that's all you need for the makeup look. Just literally smear purple eyeshadow all over your eyes, and that's it. Oh my god. So the hair's pretty simple. I'm just gonna put a beanie on because he's wearing a beanie in that picture. Yep, that looks good. And for the outfit, so really all you need is like the top half, because in the bottom half you can't even see, like, or in the picture you can't even see the bottom half, but I'm gonna do the bottom half too. He was wearing yellow shorts, I believe, so we got the closest thing. I'm wearing this top. It is an olive green crop top with a mock neck. This skirt, it's not really yellow, but it's almost yellow, so it's fine. Of course, because this is not just the Vernon phone case costume, this is sexy Vernon phone case costume. I'm wearing fishnet tights, because what's sexier than fishnet tights? That's right, nothing. This is so important. Do not forget this. You're gonna need AirPods, but if you're like me and can't afford AirPods, I just took some broken earphones and cut off the wires. So you gotta put those in your ear, like so. Make sure everyone can see that you're flexing and that you can afford AirPods, but I can't, so we're pretending. What's up? Play this song and bounce. She was a bit foreign, eyes beige. What's your favorite song? Get down. On repeat for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours. I suffer from rhinitis. What's good? What's good? Oh my god, they're gonna hit us with bricks. I'm an Aquarius. I don't think he's ever said that, but I literally have rhinitis. My nose is running. I hope you enjoyed this. If you dress up as Vernon, cool. You probably did it better than me. Thanks for watching. See ya. I'll insert pictures of the outfit, I guess. I don't know. Sexy can I? Don't pardon my manners. Sexy can I?